Good morning to everyone. Today we are learning English Medium's Science Textbook. Standard 6 Exercise of Chapter 3. The name is Separation of Substance. So let's start exercises. Question 1. Why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? Give 2 examples. Answer is example first. Sometimes different components of a mixture are not useful or may even be harmful, so we need to separate them. Example: husk and stones are separated from grains. Example second. Sometimes the mixture may contain 2 or more than 2 useful components. In order to use them, we need to separate them. Example: by churning curd, we get butter and buttermilk. Second question is, what is winnowing? Where is it used? So answer is winnowing, the method used to separate husk or and lighter components of mixture. Sorry student, the word is heavier and lighter components of mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. Uses: farmers separate husk, dust and other impurities from grains like wheat, bajra, pulses, etc. by the help of wind. The husk particles, being lighter, are carried away by the wind, and grains get separated, or they are heavier and fell down near the platform, forming heap. Question third is, how will you separate husk or dirt particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? Answer is, husk or dust particles from pulses are separated by washing the pulses. Husk and dirt particles, being lighter, float on water. Now, if the water is drained, these impurities also get drained with it. Generally, pulses are washed 3 or 4 times to remove husk and dirt particles. Pulses cleaned by their method can be used for cooking. Question 4. What is sieving? Where is it used? The answer is sieving. When components of mixture have different sizes, the small holes in the sieve allow fine particles to pass through, and the larger ones remain above the sieve. Their method is called sieving. Their uses: first, in flour mills, impurities like husk and stone are removed from wheat before grinding it. Wheat is sifted through a sieving to remove pieces of stones, stalk, and husk that may remove after threshing and winnowing. Second use, sieving is used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stones from sand. So student, we will learning question 5 to 10 in my next video.